Alright people, welcome back to the vlog. I'm doing a short video today because I just want to let you know I forgot to upload a video. I took the car to a car show probably like a couple weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago, and it was in York, Pennsylvania, and it was actually the only Mazda 3, at least especially this year, this body style. It was the only one there. I don't know if because of that, but it was a bunch of different cars, different models. They compete on different stuff. But I actually got to take home the trophy for French pick. It's right there, which is almost like a people choice type of deal. Let me open the door, show it to you. Right here, I got this baby right here, and it was a North Shore French Peak Fall for 2021. This is the Matchbox Mazda 3. I'm trying to match in my car, but I don't know. But I have it in there. But anyway, yeah, it was like a French Peak. So out of the people that were doing the show, they select my car to be their favorite. So I thought that was pretty cool. I forgot to record a video. I wasn't recording a video at the moment, but I just wanted to record a video and let you guys know that my Mazda 3 got her first trophy. All right, it was the only one of that body style and the make and year and model, but it was a lot of more cars there, and it was actually a pick out of all the cars. So that was pretty cool. I thought that was pretty cool. But anyway, that's the video for today. Wanna let you guys know hard work paid off. So any question, you leave it on the comment section. Until the next one, you already know.